DIY Ayurvedic health recipes of Indian asparagus. Asparagus racemosus is a Liliaceae spiny undershrub with many branches. Lily family. Africa, Australia, India, and Asia are all home to the potato. The herb may also be seen as an adaptogen. Adaptogenic herbs are said to assist in the body's adaptation to physical and emotional stress. Shatavari is an Ayurvedic medicine favorite that is used as a general health tonic to boost stamina. The roots of this natural herb are high in medicinal properties and are often used in Ayurvedic medicine preparation. The plant is currently classified as endangered in its natural environment due to destructive harvesting, habitat degradation, and deforestation. Indian asparagus has Ayurvedic health benefits. Fever. Take asparagus racemosus roots that have been dried. Pulverize them into a fine powder. Take 1 teaspoon twice a day with a glass of warm water. Tuberculosis. Once a day, mix 1 teaspoon asparagus racemosus root powder with 1 cup warm water. Cough. 1 teaspoon asparagus racemosus seed powder plus 4 teaspoon honey. Take it 3 times a day. Nausea. To make powder, crush the seeds of asparagus racemosus. Combine 25 grams powder and 100 grams honey in a mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon, 3 times a day. Related links. These 10 foods and drinks will keep your liver healthy. The liver is the largest solid organ and also the largest gland in the human body. It plays a crucial role. The benefits and side effects of buttermilk. What are the benefits of buttermilk if we consume the same regularly? Throat irritation. 3 times a day, take a teaspoon of powdered asparagus racemosus seeds with honey. Indigestion. Prepare an asparagus racemosus root decoction. Filter and drink with honey. Acid reflux. Crush the asparagus racemosus tuber. Extract the juice from it. Combine it with an equivalent amount of water. Once a day, take 10 milliliters of it. High blood pressure. Drink asparagus racemosus tuber juice with 1 teaspoon honey. It can be eaten once a day. Excessive menstrual bleeding. 30 milliliters asparagus racemosus tuber juice plus 1 teaspoon honey once a day is appropriate. Diarrhea. Boil fresh asparagus racemosus roots for 10 minutes in 1 cup of milk. 5 milliliters can be ingested every day. It is an effective treatment for diarrhea in kids. Headache. Extract the juice from the whole asparagus racemosus vine. Use this juice twice a day to rub the forehead. Immunity booster. Asparagus racemosus boosts the number of white blood cells in the body. Candida is fought by activating macrophages. 1 teaspoon asparagus racemosus root powder plus 1 glass lukewarm water is to be consumed.